Today I'm with sisters Sienna and Sage, and myself having sisters, I always thought it was fun to do my sister's hair. So today on little Sienna, we're gonna do some braiding with some ribbon today. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. For this hairstyle, we're gonna use some ribbon, and any ribbon will do. This one is a little bit thicker, you can have something that's thinner. And I'm just gonna do a simple 3-strand braid. We're gonna work together. We're gonna first start by cutting the ribbon, and we wanna make sure that we have enough so that when we fold it over, it's gonna go through the length of Sienna's hair. And we'll just cut a piece first. So with the ribbon, I just wanna make sure that it's the right length, so I'm gonna hold it where the braid is gonna start and make sure that it goes all the way down to the ends. So you can see I've even cut this way too long, and I'll probably have to cut it about here. Okay, so we're gonna do this as pigtails. So we're gonna section that we have one piece over here and one piece over here. I'm gonna do this side and you're gonna do that side. So with the ribbon, we're going to divide the hair first into 3. And then I'm gonna place the ribbon over top, and I'm gonna kind of add it so that this piece has ribbon, the middle piece has ribbon, and then the piece on the very end has none. And then I'm gonna braid. I like to braid under so that way the ribbon really shows on top. But if you find it difficult to braid under, you can braid over as well. And Sienna has these really pretty curls at the bottom. So I think it's important to stop a little bit earlier so that we can leave some of those little curls. And then just with an elastic, I'm gonna tie that off. And you could use a white elastic, you could use a clear elastic. It doesn't really matter. You just want it to be held in there. And then with the ends of our ribbon, to make sure it looks pretty, we're gonna fold it and then cut it on a diagonal. And what that'll do is it'll give it a nice finished sort of pretty V edge. Maybe nice for a holiday party. All right, Sage, are you ready?
I think so.
You think so? Okay, I'll guide you through it. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna divide Sienna's hair into 3. And for you, you feel more comfortable braiding over.
Yeah.
So start with over. There you go. And so one piece going over, perfect. And the next piece going over. And the key really is to make sure it's nice and loose. Because the tighter you go, you'll actually lose the ribbon. And what makes this difficult is the hair is a different texture than the ribbon. So for anyone doing this at home, take your time, and then let's just check to make sure that we'll finish at around the same height. That looks good. And you have a little elastic, good. Tying it through maybe twice, yep. Okay, there we go. And then we'll just cut the ribbon. Ooh, beautiful. Hey, good job, Sage.
Thank you.
That was pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you think you'll be able to get your sister ready for some holiday parties?
Definitely.
Definitely?